hobby into a paycheck. Here's exactly how. Imagine getting paid to do what you already love. No boring 9 to 5, no endless meetings, just passion turned into profit. Today, I'll show you step by step how to turn your hobby into serious money. You love your hobby, right? Painting, gaming, baking, photography, gardening, whatever it is. But did you know it could actually be your paycheck? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make it happen. Step 1. Identify your money-making hobby. First step, pick the hobby that people will pay for. Not every hobby needs to make money, and that's okay. But some hobbies naturally have big markets. Think photography, graphic design, music, crafts, gaming, fitness. Ask yourself, would someone actually pay for what I do? Step 2. Know your audience. Next, figure out who would want it. Who's your ideal customer or client? Is it busy parents, small businesses, brides-to-be, or fitness junkies? Knowing your audience means you can market smarter, not harder. Step 3. Start small. Test fast. You don't need a huge website or perfect business cards to start. Test your hobby quickly and cheaply. Post on Facebook. Offer a freebie to a few people. See if anyone bites. Feedback is gold at this stage. Step 4. Build an online presence. You need to exist online. That means Instagram, TikTok, Etsy, Fiverr, or a simple website. Pick one platform and start showing your work. Post your progress, your creations, and your behind the scenes. People love stories, not just products. Step 5. Price. Smartly money time. How much should you charge? Here's the trick. Don't undercharge just because it's your hobby. Research competitors. Price a little lower when you're starting out, then raise it as you grow. Value your skills from day one. Step 6. Create packages or products. Make it easy for people to buy. Bundle your services into packages. Create ready-to-go products like art prints, ebooks, digital downloads, or mini courses. Clear offers. More money. Step 7. Scale smartly. Now you've got momentum. Time to grow. Ask for referrals. Run small ads. Partner with other creators. Start a YouTube channel or blog about your hobby journey. Scaling is about multiplying yourself without burning out. Your hobby isn't just for fun, it could change your life. All it takes is the right strategy, a little hustle, and some belief in yourself. If you're ready to turn passion into profit, hit subscribe and join our crew. And tell me in the comments, what hobby do you want to monetize? I can't wait to hear your ideas.